So I found something more exciting than grapes. Yeah, beans. Pinto beans. When you put it in the microwave, just like that. Let me put it over here. Just like that. Okay, hopefully you could see them. Kind of hard, but oh well. Here we go. I have tried grapes and they don't react like this, but here we go. Look at that. Saw it? That is a lot compared to the grapes. Dang. So, man, it smells like metal. Burned metal. So, something more stronger than grapes is actually pinto beans. Guessing it has a material in there, some kind of iron or something that's producing a lot, because it did smell like some kind of metal. Okay, this is Luis Martinez. Subscribe to my channel. Press like if you like this video.